Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Artificial Intelligence Concepts and Technique Week 6 Assignment 6. The first question is Ontological Engineering is concerned with. These are the options and let's check the answer of our first question. Question first, ontological engineering representing representation using general concepts such as events, time, physical objects, and beliefs should be considered ontological engineering. So the answer of our first question is B, representing knowledge using formal ontologies. Now the second question is in knowledge representation categories are used to. So these are the option and let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, categories and objects, the organization of objects into categories. Categories also serve to make prediction about object once they are classified. So the answer of our second question is A, group object with similar properties. Now the third question is which of the following best describe a semantic network? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, semantic network represent knowledge as a graph. So the answer of our third question is C, a graphical representation of knowledge using nodes and arcs. Now, the fourth question is a semantic network can be represented as a. So, these are the option linear list, tree structure, stack, directed graph. So, let's check the answer of our fourth question. So, question fourth, semantic networks labeled arrows. So, the answer of our fourth question is D, directed graph. Now, the fifth question is script in AI are primarily used to represent. So, these are the option. And let's check the answer of our fifth question. So, question fifth, scripts a structured representation describing a stereotyped sequence of events in a particular context. So, the answer of our fifth question is C, sequence of events or story stereotypical situation. Now, the sixth question is a key advantage of using scripts in AI is. So, these are the option, and let's check the answer of our sixth question. Question 6, script components, entry condition, result, props, roles, sequence. So the answer of our sixth question is A, the simplify representation procedure, knowledge and action sequences. Now the seventh question is which of the following best describes monotonic reasoning in the context of artificial intelligence? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seventh, non-monotonic reasoning. Reasons for retracting a sentence are it is no longer important and we want to forget about it to free up space for other purpose. The world may have changed. So the answer of our seventh question is B. Now the eighth question is which of the logic based approach is most suitable for non-monotonic reasoning? So these are the option classical logic, default logic, model logic, fuzzy logic. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, default logic. Default logic is a formalism in which default rules can be written to generate con contingent non-monotonic conclusions. So the answer of our eighth question is default logic. Now the ninth question is which reasoning approach allow for revising existing beliefs in light of new evidence. So these are the option and let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, non-monotonic reasoning. So the answer of our ninth question is B. Now, the 10th question is Does theory is based on the use of primitive concepts and rules to represent any natural language statement? So, these are the options script, associative network, conceptual dependencies, frames. So, let's check the answer of our 10th question. So, question 10th conceptual dependency. Shank's theory offer a set of four equal and independent primitive conceptualization. So, the answer of our 10th question is C, conceptual dependencies. Now, submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.